Dear Cheri, can you mix indicas and sativas to make a blend or get the best effects of both? Just wondering. Thank you for any insight. Okay, well, yes, the short answer is yes, you can. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor. If you get value out of my videos, be sure to hit that like button too because it helps us in the YouTube algorithms. Also, if you like my Senior Stoner, Our Joints Never Ache shirt, be sure to check the links below for a link to purchase those. We have them available on my website. Okay, getting back to the original question, can you mix indicas and sativas? Yes, I'm guessing that you are fairly new to cannabis and nothing wrong with that. Everybody has to learn, but really, a couple things I want to say about this. Yes, you can mix indicas and sativas and hybrids too, for that matter. You can mix different strains. In fact, I call that making cannabis salads, and I did another video on that about a year or so ago. I'm going to put a link to that video in the comments too for more information. So yeah, you definitely can mix indicas, sativas, and hybrids, as well as different strains, which fall under the indica sativa hybrid categories, in order to get the effects you want. But the other thing I wanted to mention, though, is people tend to put way too much emphasis on whether a strain is an indica or a sativa. Two things we have to realize about that now. These days, it's fairly rare, at least, to get a pure indica or a pure sativa. Most things are hybrids of some sort. Also, you don't always get what it says on the label, sad to say, but that is the truth of things. And the other and most important thing, and I've done other videos on this too, and I'm going to put a link below to those, is that indicas and sativas are not a great way to gauge the effects you're going to get from the cannabis. That's kind of old school wisdom that really science has disproved. The fact that it's an indica or a sativa is not as important as the terpene mix that is in the plant. And terpenes are very important to the medicinal effects. I have a terpene cheat sheet too, and I'll put a link to that in the comments as well that you can sign up for and get. So that may help. But I think that's a really better way to judge a strain than by the label of indica or sativa. If you find that you respond to a certain terpene, for instance, a lemony terpene tends to be what we used to think of as a sativa, a more upbeat type of cannabis, where linalool, which you would find like in a lavender type plant, that is more of a sleepy type terpene. So really the terpenes are what determine the effects, not the broad generalities of indicas versus sativas. But back to the original question, can you mix them? Absolutely. I do it all the time with great effects. I hope this helps. See you next time.